How to log in Crunchyroll account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process to log in to Crunchyroll account. I hope for a subscribe and a like if this tutorial helped you. Now let's get started. Firstly, go ahead and open the Crunchyroll application on your device. If you do not have the application, you can easily download it from the App Store or the Play Store. Once you have opened the application, tap on the login button you see there. You will now be asked to enter your email address and your password. So go ahead and enter the email address and your password. Just in case if you have forgotten the password, you can always tap on the forgot password option and recover your password. Once done, tap on the login button, and with this you will be successfully logged in to Crunchyroll account. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.